Hey, so what y'all doing? So today I'm just gonna talk about birds. Maybe this is gonna be mostly opinionated, but I will give y'all information because birds are just fascinating. Seriously, I mean, first off, they're descendants from theropod dinosaurs, but I've said that so many times. I'm pretty sure I remember that. And you can literally find birds all over the world in almost any color you can think of, from small hummingbirds to the enormous ostrich. Birds are just incredible, and obviously, birds they're very beautiful animals. Very beautiful animals. Well, mostly specifically, the males are the beautiful ones. No homo, no homo. No, but I'm not saying being homo's bad because that's not right. On this channel, we accept everybody, accept all people. All right. Yeah, but anyways, back to birds. As I said, the males usually look the best. I'm not trying to say the women don't look the best, because on this channel, we accept all people. We accept everybody. All right, but okay, let me be for real. But seriously, back to birds. As I said, yes, the males are usually looking the best. Why? Because they gotta attract the female. They show off their feathers. For example, you got peacocks showing off their feathers. Some dance, for example, the Victoria's rifle bird, and some do both, like the bird of paradise. A couple of birds, though, very weird, very weird. One example, this is my favorite example at least, the kiwi. If you don't know, this little bird is a ratite. Yep, it's a ratite. This little bird can't fly. It lays one of the biggest eggs, and it's related to some of the biggest birds on the planet, like the cassowary, the rhea, the ostrich, and the emu. Think about that. This little bird is related to the biggest birds on the planet. Yeah, I don't know. All right, evolution. But we also have very smart birds, like the African gray parrot, which is also the smartest parrot, having the same cognitive abilities as a 5-year-old. Ooh, cognitive. Oh, that's a nice vocabulary word. That's the word of the day. Let me stop. All right. Anyways, you got ravens as well, but I made a video on ravens. You should check it out. Ravens are the smartest birds in that video, and I gave you reasons why. But birds, they just make some of the most beautiful sounds. Seriously, they really do. And you know what? I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. I'm gonna end this video with bird sounds.